Here we are looking at a sample graphics interpretation style question from the free executive assessment question sampler over at MBA.com. And whenever you see a graphic interpretation style question in the integrated reasoning section for the executive assessment, you can trust that the figure is drawn to scale. And you need to remember that you can use the provided interface calculator for any very specific calculation so that you don't waste time on steps that aren't required for this specific section of the exam. Now, before you even consider the question and answer, we're going to engage the figure first. And we can see just at the outset, we've got a title of value added to the economy by agriculture related industries year 1 to year 8. We've got different industries illustrated in the key on the right hand side. We've got our axes, the vertical one of billions of dollars separated by 100 billions of dollars, a stack bar chart that is organized by years 1 through 8, as we'd expect from the title. Now, when it comes to the accompanying text, you don't want to waste time if the accompanying text is redundant. And if we just kind of scroll over this, we should be able to determine that, yes, here the accompanying text is kind of redundant. So we should have an overall understanding of this figure at this point. And we're now at this juncture going to just scroll down until we can see what the question and answers are. You'll note that we've got hidden drop downs and we can't even see what the answer choices are. That's intentional. You should be able to address the questions proactively without even seeing the answer choices if you're understanding the figure. Thanks for watching this executive assessment explanation video. If you're enjoying the tips it contains, please consider liking it and potentially subscribing to this channel to be alerted when additional videos such as this are released by my guru. Also, check out the description below as it includes a link to our full executive assessment prep course produced with our partners at Analyst Prep. For now, let's get back to this video. So the question task states, for each drop-down menu, select the option that creates the most accurate statement according to the information provided. So it says for year 1 through year 8, the greatest of the yearly values added to the country's economy by a single agriculture-related industry was added by the blank industry. Well, our industries are right here in the key, and we should be able to just eyeball this. We don't need to bring out the calculator. We should be able to determine pretty proactively that this top part, which correlates with food service, is well bigger than everything else, whether it's textile and apparel, food products, forestry, fishing, or farming. So we should be able to just come down here and say it's food service almost immediately. Then we've just got to find which year that food service bar is greatest. And we should be able to determine right here that it's year 7. So we'll select year 7. We can hit confirm. And sure enough, we've got the right answer. And these question types, if you engage them efficiently, should be some of the most expediently addressed question types on the entire exam.